What's going on, everybody? I want to do a real quick review of this LEVOIT. This is a smart air filter. I believe the series is a 200S. I have a previous version of this that I bought to put in my son's room. That's not the smart Wi-Fi enabled version that has just done really good things for his sleep and for his sinuses and some other stuff. Anyway, the filter itself does an excellent job. I think in like a 13 by 13 or 14 by 14 room, if you have this thing, it will turn the air over in that room 5 times an hour on the highest setting. So I leave it on medium. So who knows how many times in a night it turns that air over in his room and cleans it. And I think there's a lot of benefit to that. The filter itself is like a 3-phase. It's got like a nylon filter for large particles, and then there's an activated carbon in there. And then the final phase is a HEPA filter that filters down to like zero point 0.3 microns, which is dust particles and all kinds of other little tiny things that you get out of the air. It's really nice. So it has a lot of controls. Like I said, it is Wi-Fi enabled. There's an app that you can download that you can set schedules. You can turn it on and off. You can completely control it from literally anywhere, home, office, or whatever. But just to run you through the controls, so power button. This is the Wi-Fi indicator indicating that it's connected. This is the fan is how you adjust the speeds. So it's got low, medium, and high. This is a sleep button, which knocks the fan speed down to the point where you really can't even hear it, but it's still turning that air over. So timer, you press that, you can set 2, 4, 8 hours on the controls on the unit itself. This is the filter indicator letting you know you need to change it. It also has a night light, which is kind of cool. You can see that light down there. It's got a bright, and then it's got a dimmer, and then off. And then you can lock it through the app, so you can't control it from here at all. And actually, maybe I should put this one in my son's room and put the other one in our room, because he does like to push buttons quite a bit. So when you get the unit, the bottom is what comes off, and it's hard to do one hand, but this just twists and comes out. And when you get it, this is in a plastic wrapper. So obviously you need to take this off and put it back in and turn it on. Otherwise, it's not going to do any filtering for you. I've had that other one probably for 4 months now. And again, we've gone through spring, we're into summer. It's really done some really good things for my son. And also, it cools the room down. It moves enough air that it actually keeps the air moving. It acts like a fan as well, in a way. And it also has a little, if you don't press the sleep button and you let it just make its normal sound, kind of a white noise in the background. It's actually really nice. I sleep in there with him sometimes. And anyway, I really like it. So, like I said, I've had a previous one. I've had really good experience with this brand, with the same filter system. Just this one is Wi-Fi enabled. You can use Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to do voice controls and other things if you chose to. Anyway, real happy with it. Really like it. This is the second one that I've purchased, and we have another one that we are intending to purchase for my wife's salon. So we're fans.